yung mga gustong maghanap buhay, yung gustong magnegosyo. Nandito tayo sa Merit na warehouse and display sa kanilang parang main headquarters. And pumasok tayo dito. Look at that. That is all the equipment that you will possibly need kung magnegosyo ka sa food. Ito, this is a steamer to. Steamer, oh. So, magnegosyo ka ng kakanin. Magnegosyo ka ng mga steamed foods. Ito dito. Ito, oven. Deck oven. Yan. This is such a beautiful grill and oven. Ito yung mga ginagamit sa mga steakhouse. Alam mo yung mga steakhouse na it reaches around, basta, hindi ako sure, mga 4,000 degree. Ano ba yung temperature nito? So when you grill your steak, put it here, it cooks very quickly, very evenly, and very beautifully. At sobrang bango, lalo na if you use charcoal or wood under. Yan. Meron din akong ganito. Ito, gamit sa commissary. Yung mga bacon namin, ganito. Yung paggawa ng sausage. So kahit Chinese restaurant ka, French restaurant, Filipino restaurant, Russian restaurant, Japanese restaurant, nandito yung equipment. At saka pwede din magpa-import, no? Kung may mga special needs. Pag gusto mo talagang matempt bumili ng magagandang gamit, drop by Merit Stainless Steel. Ito yung sa professional hotel restaurant kitchen nila dito sa Marikina. And you will discover so many possibilities. Pwede pang hobby, social na hobby, or pang hanap buhay. So if you really want to come over and see the range of equipment they have, pasyal kayo dito kasi siguradong mahirapan din kayong pumili just like me. Kaya for now, Babu from Merit Stainless Steel here in Marikina.
Simple.ph. Living made simple.